Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to view a recipient from broadcasts on WhatsApp. If you want to easily access and view the recipients of your broadcasts, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Look for the green icon with a white phone inside. Step 2. Tap your broadcast. This is the list where you have your recipients grouped. Step 3. Tap the three dots at the top right of the screen. A menu with additional options will appear. Step 4. From the menu, select Broadcast List Info. This will take you to the information screen for your broadcast list. Step 5. Under Edit Recipient, tap the recipient you want to view. This will open the recipient's details. Step 6. Tap View. This will allow you to see the information and details of the selected recipient. By following these steps, you can easily view a recipient from broadcasts on WhatsApp. This feature is useful for managing and accessing the recipients of your broadcasts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.